How to use iPhone as webcam in OBS. So if you want to use iPhone as webcam in OBS, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and then go with the website, which is right here. And once you're on your Droid cam, you need to just scroll down and then you'll find an option of OBS Studio right here, OBS plugin. You need to click on that, wait for a few seconds, and then just scroll down and you will find the option of install the Droid or OBS plugin. So click on it and then scroll down and go with install the OBS plugin for your Windows. Now you will have the download link right here or the download option. You need to click on download and it will start the downloading process. You can click on the download button, which will be in the top right, and then go with download unverified file and your file will be downloaded. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be downloaded. Now after downloading, you need to double click on that and click on yes. And it will ask you if you want to agree to the terms and conditions. You need to go with agree and then click on next and click on install. And it will start the installation process of Droid Cam. Now, once it has been installed on your Windows or your PC, the next step is to open up your iPhone and then install Droid Cam on your iPhone. So search for the Droid Cam on your App Store. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply click on get and it will be installed. Once it has been installed, you need to go with continue, which will be on the bottom, and then go with OBS. Once done, it will just load for a few seconds and then you will get the options. Like you need to just simply go and allow the location, the permissions, whichever the permissions that it asks you, and then you will have the Wi-Fi IP and the port. Now what you are going to do is just simply go with the plus button right here. From the plus button, you will have the option of Droid Cam under the image. After that, open up your OBS and then just simply click on the plus button. Once you click on the plus button, you will have the option of Droid Cam OBS. You need to click on that. Once you click on the Droid Cam, you need to just simply click on OK, and you need to go with use Wi-Fi IP, and you will have the IP address on your iPhone. You just need to simply go and enter the Wi-Fi IP right here on this blank and then go with OK, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to use iPhone as webcam in your OBS, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.